Welcome to the JLPT N4 Kanji series. In this lesson, we will learn some basic N4 kanji together. Kanji number 1.
体
This kanji generally means body or substance. The Onyomi reading are.
体ってい
The Kunyomi reading are.
体、形
This kanji has two parts, person and book. Together they mean body or substance. Let's move to the vocabulary section now.
体力、体内、大体、主体、全体、一体。体力、
Stamina.
体内、
Interior of the body.
大体、
Generally.
主体、
Dead body.
全体、
Hull.
一体。
What the heck? Kanji number 2.
作る、
This kanji generally means make or production. The Onyomi reading are.
作、さ、
The Kunyomi reading are.
作る、作り、作り。
This kanji has two parts, person and though. Together they mean make or production. Let's move to the vocabulary section now.
作る、作文、作用、工作、対策、作家。作る、
To make.
作文、
Writing an essay, prose, etc.
作用、
Action.
工作、
Handicraft.
対策、
Large-scale work.
作家。
Author. Kanji number 3.
使う、
This kanji generally means use or send on a mission. The Onyomi reading is.
し、
The Kunyomi reading are.
使う、使い、使い。
This kanji has two parts, person and officer. Together they mean use or send on a mission. Let's move to the vocabulary section now.
使う、天使、使用、使い方、使い捨て、魔法使い。使う、
To use a tool, method, etc.
天使、
Angel.
使用、
Use.
使い方、
Way of using something.
使い捨て、
Throw away.
魔法使い、
magician. Kanji number 4.
借りる、
This kanji generally means borrow or rent. The Onyomi reading is.
借、
The Kunyomi reading is.
借りる、
This kanji has two parts, person and once upon a time. Together they mean borrow or rent. Let's move to the vocabulary section now.
借用、借りる、借金、借家、借財、借り手。借用、
Borrowing.
借りる、
To borrow.
借金、
Debt.
借家、
Rented house.
借財、
Loan.
借り手、
Borrower. Kanji number 5.
元、
This kanji generally means beginning or former time. The Onyomi reading are.
元、元、
The Kunyomi reading is.
元、
This kanji has two parts, to and legs. Together they mean beginning or former time. Let's move to the vocabulary section now.
元気、紀元後、紀元前、還元、元凶、襟元。元気、
Lively.
紀元後、
Post era.
紀元前、
Pre-era.
還元、
Restoration.
元凶、
Ringleader.
襟元、
Around the neck. Kanji number 6.
兄、
This kanji generally means elder brother or big brother. The Onyomi reading are.
敬、兄、
The Kunyomi reading is.
兄。
This kanji has two parts, mouth and legs. Together they mean elder brother or big brother. Let's move to the vocabulary section now.
兄弟、お兄さん、いとこ、兄貴。兄弟、
Siblings.
お兄さん、
Older brother.
いとこ、
Cousin Mel.
兄貴。
Elder brother.